With the airbox out, let's walk through kind of what this all looks like. So this is what it's going to look like behind your grill here as the pipe comes around and sets with the air filter, and the air filter is going to sit basically right in the middle between your two kidney grills on both sides. Let's set this aside for a second. So what this is going to do is wrap around and come down through here, and will connect to your stock turbo inlet here. Now, as you can tell, because you can see the silver collars, I've got 3 silver collars that all go into the pipes, because that's what gives the pipe rigidity for the hose clamps on both ends. So I've just inserted them for now, so you can see this pipe is going to go in here. You can also tell we're going to transfer the air filter, the mass airflow filter here, and get that all done. But the first thing we have to do is, if you look down here, right here, there's an intake box, or the intake tube that we've got to take out. We're also going to take off the front trim here by pulling these front plastic rivets here, 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 and here. You can take the rubber gasket and just pull it up a little bit just to get that loose on either end, and it'll come with the centerpiece. So that way we can see down into the nose where we're going to place all these pieces. Okay, so go ahead and get this front piece off next. All right, so next up you take out the 3 T30s. 1, 2, 3. That allows you to slip your kidney grills back. Now there's little tabs here that go straight into the support bar here. So you just kind of wiggle this back, and then this whole thing will come back. And this is just enough to give us enough gap that we can get the filter down here. We can get our hands and tools down in here to get this through. Next up is going to take that intake tube out. Let me show you what that looks like. All right, so the intake tube is actually really easy to get out, but this piece is what's holding it in from this side. So you can take this and tell this one took a rock hit. So reach in, kind of wiggle this collar loose, and then you'll see the end of the tube right here. You can see my hand there as well. Now with that not holding it in place anymore, you can grab it from this side and just slowly work it out of the car. All right, so the OEM tube is out. As you can see, it just takes a little bit of extra work to get that out and clear with this flared end on it, but it should come out just fine.